Hi everyone, I'm Niveda. I'm from Bangalore and I glad to be here. Then I will think to bring a gift for you. Please guys guess what's gift in my container? Bananas. Okay, now I uncovered it. Now you can see a plastic cover, black color plastic cover. Another black color plastic cover inside it. Now I uncovered it well. What can you see? Diapers, dal, blood, and medicine, like a garbage. Yes, it's a garbage. If you think, now you think, imagine you 100 containers like this, 1,000 containers like this gathered on the street in front of my home. Every day it will happen like this. But end of the day, these all are burned out. The burning fumes, smile, pollute our air. But one day, I decided to I go and change the entire stretch. I want a team who thought like me, who come along with me to go and change entire stretch. It it's a happy moment. The streets were very clear. But just a 1 week, they all are gathered again. The old garbage piles are gathered again. I realize I failed. I'm not success because I haven't any solution. I doesn't close to the solution. Then I will think if I want to solve this problem, I want to find root cost of that. The root cost must very interesting. Now you see this plastic cover, it can recycle. Now you see this that plastic cover, some are wet and sticky, they can't recycle. This is useless. I go door to door and say people, hey, please divide the waste into two groups, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. But all my wishes are not success. If you think my uncle has diabetic and I will go to his and force to him not eat to sugar, it's not practically and it not success. How I can change a society at once? If I want to save one person, how I can change people in India? When I think, but I want to find a solution for that. My researchers and testers have found any technology in the world have not any technology to world prevent this waste material. Then I will think I found a mine technology and remove the waste. It's like waste automatically divided into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The idea was very clear and concept very simple. I gathered I gathered people, engineers, social workers, and industrial workers. They also come to me and I say my concept to them, and they all are saying one thing in common. Niveda, it's impossible. Many people come to field and try to solve this waste problem, and they go burn their hands. We work in the field over 40 years. We haven't seen any solution for that. I listened there. And but one day 3 years old girl laughed and playing with his friends on the street. At the moment she lifted a burning pile of garbage. Then she died, painfully, screamingly. I and you can't imagine it. That I thought again, I want to solve this problem. It's not waste mistake. Her mistake or my mistake or your mistake. I want to find a solution for that, the waste kill any more children further. Then I think I must found a solution. I go and bus and I wrote a concept and I found it. I make a small unit for that. I go and ask that what is impossible, and I go and ask them and show my small unit and I switch off. It run 5 minutes and next second the motor is jumped over the machine and it's broke up. The peoples are laughing. Then I call my mom and say, Mother, I want to do job. I want to get good salary and good life. I can't solve this problem. Then she told me, okay, if you want to get a job, you go and do a job. But who's solve this problem? Then I switch off the phone and I think again. Yes, I want to do it. Then I again try. I haven't any group, no one ready to join with me. After, I will success. Now also girls are lifted garbage under supervision who operates my machines. At lastly, I want to say you, yes, it's impossible. If you think it's impossible, you can't do it. You think it's possible, you can do it. Thank you.
That's another good one. Okay, so you are great. You're good. Okay, so it's completely different. Yeah? How she presented this and completely different, and all these sentences and words are from Chak, not from this. So that's good. Okay, so that speech is completely from Chak. Yeah, so that's good. That's a good speech. So that's great. Okay. So you're
Thank
great.
you, sir.
Okay. So you can improve. So I know you and always first time good. So you can improve this. Okay. So you can improve this. And so one day all of you will become great speakers. No? Yeah. So you will become Toastmasters in the world. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Who is our next?